is where comedy comes to life on
Yeah man, I don't know your boy if on a QQ video show, Pushy Wine, or the sickest song right now. Ladies, look out for it, QQ.
Yo, Wagwan, JNL TV, you don't know where they are live right now in a summer camp. And we are shot up the Pushy Wine music video, so check out the footage. All of the girls are getting mad and are going with that bag of things. You know what
You don't know JNL represent the dancer.
I mean, the girl them. Girl, grab on pan a girl man, you want him. Oh girl, you bad to rotted. The wine where you give him left him hearted. A cushy wine, yeah.
Put your hand on your knee them. See the cushy wine, yeah. A girl a touch your dog with them. See the cushy wine, yeah. Put your hand on your knee them. See the cushy wine, yeah. A girl a touch your dog with them. See the cushy wine, yeah.
Big bumper girl, wine and cock up the bumper. Get mad girl, wine in a temper. Girl can't wine, how where she come?
You don't know about girl verdict representing you push wine shot.
Cause them don't know if you wine up. You hold the boy like a giant up. A cushy wine make the place light up.
Put your hand on your knee them. See the cushy wine, yeah. A girl a touch your dog with them. See the cushy wine, yeah.
You know this is the girl Cherise representing QQ push video shoot shots. This is the girl Janelle representing QQ push wine shots.
You don't know JNL represent the dancer.
Yo, we are jungle right now. Havana, Pushy Wine. I know it's crazy because the whole school come out. School is over for today. Done our work and done our play. Before we go, we come to say Pushy Wine every day.
You don't know JNL represent the dancer. Push over it.
Hand on your knee them. See the cushy wine, yeah. A girl a
Yeah man, I don't know so we are jungle right now. Pushy Wine. So the second part we are doing the show, yeah? Just stay tuned.
a girl a touch your dog with them. See the cushy wine, yeah.
Big bumper girl, all a young girl. Yeah man, remember me telling you, click the link and subscribe JNL TV and also personal to see and hear. Yo, QQ Pushy Wine coming soon. The video I got crazy.